Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take creatine properly. To start, consider a loading phase. For the first 5 to 7 days, consume 20 grams of creatine daily. It's best to split this into 4 equal 5-gram servings, spread throughout your day. Always mix your creatine powder thoroughly with water or juice to ensure proper absorption and hydration. This initial phase helps saturate your muscles quickly. Once your loading phase is complete, you'll move into the maintenance phase. This involves taking a smaller, consistent dose of 3 to 5 grams of creatine each day. It's often beneficial to take this dose around your workout time, either before or after. For even better absorption, try mixing your creatine with a drink containing carbohydrates, like fruit juice. Consistency is key for long-term benefits. Proper hydration is crucial when taking creatine. Make sure to drink ample water throughout your entire day to support kidney function and prevent dehydration. While the exact timing of your creatine dose isn't as critical as consistency, many find it convenient to take it daily with a meal or around their training. Always consult a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions. To truly maximize the benefits of creatine, pair it with a consistent resistance training program. Creatine works best when your muscles are actively engaged and growing. Also, ensure you're consuming enough protein to support muscle repair and development. For those who love to read, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.